Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Carrie, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fall FabFitFun box. Now this is my first box from them, so I'm really excited. If you're not, familiar with it, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. I believe it's $179.99 for annually, or $49.99 per season. Inside you get beauty products, skincare products, household things like decor, like dish towels and umbrellas, and I mean there's just all kinds of stuff inside it. Beauty, wellness, fashion, fitness, and all sorts of things handpicked by the FabFitFun team. And the box is over $200 in retail value, and you get that for $49.99 or $179.99 annually. The boxes ship in March, June, September, and December, and it is now September 13th, and I got my box today. So I was a little late on the draw, but I got it. So I'm really happy about it. I'm really excited. I'm just dying to get into my box, so let's get to it, right? Here's the box. You can see it's really good sized. It's big, and it's cool. This is so cool. And it says on it, in support of Right Action for Women, Christina Applegate Foundation. So that's really cool. Let's get this open. Alright. Oh, and in the box, loose, it wasn't in the FabFitFun box, it was in the box it was shipped in. I got this. It is from Earthly Body. It is Miracle Oil, 100% natural, nature's perfect solution. It's a blend of 100% natural oils featuring tea tree oil, hemp seed oil, and jojoba oil. It says on here it's for dry feet and heels, shave bumps, calms the effects of waxing, nails and cuticles, and more. So I am kind of pumped about this. It sounds like it's going to be really awesome. And it comes in a bottle like this with a dropper. Yeah, you can smell the tea tree oil. There's a drop out there. My hand. Ooh, feels nice. I will have to try this on my heels this winter. I also have a spot that's always red. My cheek on this one side is always red. So I wonder if this will help that. Anyway, so that came in there. Now I'm not entirely sure why it was loose in there. If everyone gets this or not, I don't know, but it was in my box. So I'm kind of excited. I get excited over little things. Now, when we first opened the box, oh, this is awkward. You see on the top it has this little magazine, and it's got a story about Christina Applegate, her journey, and why she's advocating for better breast cancer education. And then you open it up, and it tells you about your products and what you could have gotten, and the values of everything that you get, and it's got all sorts of fun things in here. It's got, wow, this is nice. The ultimate makeup how-to tool, and all kinds of good stuff in here. So let's get into this. Okay, I'm seeing on top, I'm seeing a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. There is a card here for Luna bars. Enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on Amazon, and it gives you a discount code. And this is Share the Love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. So that's nice. And then we have some tissue paper to get through here. Oh, there we go. And the first thing I see is this really pretty umbrella. Now I'm not going to open it because that's bad luck. But from Catherine Malandrino. Very nice. I don't have an umbrella, so this is actually really cool. Let's see what it says about the umbrella. I could have gotten, this also comes in a black and white floral. So you could either get this, the black and white floral, or Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in either black or white. The earbuds are worth $40, but we didn't get those. We got the umbrella, and the umbrella retail price is $39.99. So there was the cost of my box right there, because I had a $10 off code from my box. Instead of $49.99, it was $39.99. So this is the cost of my box. So that's pretty awesome. Let's put that back there. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. The Italian Collection limited edition. Let's see how this smells. Well, there's a... Oh! It smells like a spa experience. Ooh, I like that. I can't wait to use that. Let's see what it says about the shower gel. Okay. This is in every box. Everybody got this one. It says this multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. It retails for $22. And it says you can use it as a shower gel or a bubble bath. So that's pretty nice. Let's see. Ooh! Glam Glow masks. Bubble sheet oxygenating deep cleanse masks. 2 of them. Sweet! And this is also something everybody gets. It retails for $18. It says watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowy, deeply purified complexion. I can't wait to try these. I'm really happy. Okay, let's see. Oh! Ooh, a lippy. Did everybody get the lippy? Okay, this is another or. Either you got Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream, or Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick and Duo and Penny, which I'm assuming is this, or Cusio Somatology Detox Bath. Anyways, this retails for $24.99, and if I can get it open, I will show you it. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. It's kind of a rosy gold color. Let's check out this other side here. There's the other one. Very nice. I like this. This makes me happy. Happy. So yeah, this was $24.99. It says this duo includes a glittery gloss on one end and a metallic liquid on the other to give you a mesmerizing demi-matte finish. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Yes! I got a beauty blender. Ah! Oh, it's exciting. It says colors may vary. It says seamlessly blend cream, powder, and liquid formulas. Use the pointed end on the sides of your nose and under your eyes, and the rounded end to buff product into the rest of your face. It retails for $20, and of course, Beauty Blender is the OG. So I'm really excited about that. I've never had a beauty blender. I always use my Real Techniques sponge. So I'm excited to try this and see what it's like. Okay, then we have dish towels. Simply Whimsical Tea Towels. This set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. They retail for $14.99. What's the best way to open them? There we go. Take one out. Have a look. Okay, I'll take both out. They both came out. They're pinned together. These are real nice tea towels. We can definitely use them. Awesome. Thank you, FabFitFun. This is from Grown Alchemist. This was for select members only. You get to pick, if you want to pick, so on these other things where it's or, if you want to pick your item, you get the annual subscription. Now I know. You could have gotten the facial exfoliant, the day cream, or the Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser. This appears to be the day cream. It says Camellia and Geranium Blossom. This day cream is chock full of active ingredients like camellia, rosehip oil, and jojoba oil to visibly improve hydration, balance natural sebum levels, soothe skin, and repair UV damage. $49 for this puppy. $49. It says it's free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfate, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine releasers, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, and no glycol. So there's a lot of no's. And I'm going to get this open. There we go. Oh, here's the thing. You save 20% plus free shipping. Orders over $100 at grownalchemist.com. Yay! So another coupon. Oh, it's like a metal tube. This packaging is sleek. And you gotta poke it open. There we go. Nice. I can't tell if that's my lip gloss that I'm smelling or if it's the product. That's nice. I do need a new day cream. I'm using Dia Naturals right now, face wash and toner, and so I'm going to add this to my regimen and see how I like it. Okay. Next up, oh, I am stoked about this. It's the teapot. Now, I did get to pick on this. You either could get the French press or the teapot. The teapot is $26. And if I can get this open, I am so excited. I've never had a teapot like this before. I mean, I've had a teapot, but not like this one. Wait till you see it. This one I did pick over the French press. I figured I'd get more use out of the tea bubble wrap. Someone's going to have fun with that tomorrow. Okay. Get all this plastic off. Look at, isn't this pretty? Isn't it just adorable? I am in love. And there is a strainer in here for loose tea. There's a little strainer for loose tea. And it just pops right in there. Yay! I'm really happy with this. Yeah, it's ceramic and stainless steel. And it tells you the tea brewing times too for silly people like me. I like oolong and herbal tea. I was wondering if I was going to get... Now see, I didn't... You could have clicked to pick... Or no. I think you could have clicked to pick. Yeah, the tote from Vince Camuto or the Crown Brush 6-piece set. And I put for them to choose for me. And lo and behold... I got the tote. I got the Vince Camuto tote. I couldn't make up my mind because I wanted both of them, huh? I wanted the brushless and the tote, but that wasn't an option. So you've sent me this it's the brown and black one, which is great. It'll go with my brown shoes or my black shoes. Very nice. It says Vince Camuto on the back. It's vegan leather. It's comfortably carry your everyday essentials in this giant tote. It features a soft interior and a hanging slip pocket to store your keys, lip balm, and more. $128 retail. $128 tote inside a $49 box. There's the pocket, and you can see it's nice and roomy in there. Awesome. Yeah, it's made of vegan leather, so use a damp cloth to wipe off dirt. They also had this in black with like a gray stripe down the middle. Whew, awesome. Well, that's it for my unboxing. I am really